Unlock a world of opportunities with New Life English Online. Whether you're a child, teenager, or adult, we offer tailored ESL classes to fit every learner's needs. Elevate your language skills with our comprehensive test preparation for IELTS, TOEFL, and TOEIC, ensuring you're ready to excel on the global stage. Aspiring teachers can advance their careers with our online TESOL certification course program, brought to you through the esteemed New Life Language Training Center. Experience language immersion like never before with our study tour programs in the vibrant cities of Cebu and Baguio, in partnership with Superior Study. Join us and discover the path to fluency, cultural enrichment, and academic success. Our expert instructors are dedicated to providing engaging and interactive lessons that make learning English a fun and rewarding experience. With flexible scheduling options and personalized attention, you can learn at your own pace and convenience. Dive into our diverse range